that? How that? Oh boy! I'm a G. They are just add up something and thing, you see.
Yeah.
And you come in and might have stop man like a stranger, brother. Follow me, general.
Yeah, I'm there.
Man, that you don't even know, brother. If never tell you how to go on this man, you see. Can't hold a seat, I'm from.
Yeah. So what you been up to?
Brother, if me never tell you what go on this morning, G, I'm going to sit down and give that story, brother, because tell you my youth. From one day, I get a little belly, right? So, I decide to get back that athletic body that I did have, you know what I mean? Because the girl them love that, you know what I mean? So, this morning around 6, 7 o'clock, I go so boom and step out and I go jog, G, you see it? So, I go so boom now and start doing my little stretch and thing, you see me? You know, so I run now, tell her I'm step in one big piece of shit, my yo. Brother, and on a normal kind of shit that in a dog. Brother, and on a small kind of shit. Big, enormous shit, my friend. You see me? So I go so boom now, dog, and I say, nah, man, I can't continue run. So I go up on the side now, I clean off my shoes, you see it? So I go so boom now, tell her I clean off my shoes, G. Now one big body girl let me see run past me too, brother. So I go so boom now and dash on the shoes and start run, so I go catch her now, brother. Me a run, I'm nah see her face, I'm nah catch her now, brother. But I say I'm nah give up. You see me? Anyways, I don't know my boss now, because I tell you something just start run.
Yeah.
Out of the blues, G's, like I feel something lift me in my head back, brother. I knock out my youth. I don't know, but they even know which part I'm dead, brother.
What the hell?
Eventually, you know, I wake up now. When I wake up, brother, say it's beautiful, nice girl come over me, brother.
Oh my god, someone just hit you and ran off with one of your sneakers.
Brother, I tell you, brother, girl look good, my G.
Yo.
But dog, her ass flat, G.
Yeah.
Her ass flat, my brother. Anyways, go so boom now and she take me up and say she go carry me to her car.
See my car right here, sir? Just sit down. Come. I just gotta take one more jog. I'ma come back, alright?
So boom now and drop asleep, my youth. And you know say, my ear like a phone a ring. You see me?
Yeah.
So I say now, which part of my phone? I search my pocket. Which part of my phone? Tallonnz, you wouldn't believe what go on, my G.
What?
Brother, I'm go so boom now, dog, and you know which part I'm locate the phone?
In your pocket?
Man, I laugh, brother. I'm gonna give you a joke to brother. You see when she girl wake me up? One of my shoes gone, the one with the shit when I step in a gone, G. You know, so I'm go so boom and look back in the car and find the shit up shoes and the phone in the shit up shoes, brother. God no, brother. So now me a pray and me a say, how I go on? That girl that take my shit up shoes and she want to take my phone. You see it?
The hell?
Brother, so I'm go so boom now and
Yo, that's crazy,
brother,
dog.
I'm go so boom now and I put on my shoes now, brother, and pull the door down and I see the big body girl run past again, brother. But here I go on, I never really come kind of in a pain and thing. Because I'm run off. You know, I couldn't really to catch her. I want man come look up the road, my G. You know how I see now. That's the same girl will bring my car car and find my shoes and my phone in my shoes, man, you. What you would do?
So what you do, dog?
I run and chuck off over one fence over one part and run going in one bush around one part, my G. That's how comes my day I know that I'm going to use the back and come and show the story, brother.
Yo, that is crazy, dog.
I don't know. Brother, today, this man was just a, I don't know.
So you reach back home?
I'm going to tell you, so what more come here, man, yo?
Yo, that's crazy, dog. Yo, the one there for the books. I never hear the story there. You know,
brother, I don't know how I go on, my G, but it does weird and strange, G.
Yo, I swear, dog.
Long time I don't see how I go on with you.
I'm good, dog. I'm great, man. I have no complaints.
So I go on for your wife and your kids, then I go on for them.
Wife and kids, dog. Yo, man, she left long time, dog.
I lie.
Yo, she run off with our Asian brother, dog. Yo, you know them man they stay ready, you know them man they think big in the dog. Them man they have to lift up them things they for wash all them bars and that. Yo, and all the kids them just left them up for them mother over son, dog. Them grandmother over son, dog. So,
Jaja.
dog. But dog, I need to blow out the girl, dog.
When this morning?
By accident, the other day, dog.
Yeah?
By accident. Yo, the story. Yo, you wouldn't believe the story, dog. So I got some bomb. Wake up early and I decide to make her out. Never really want to go work still because I never really there feed it. So, throw on my clothes, never even press the clothes, dog. So me head out and play some LA Lewis just with little boys. You know him have all of the hits.
Yeah, man, I know how yeah, man. Yeah.
Anyway, dog, because about one, I drive go down the road and I listen to music and I just see one girl come from out of the blue, dog. It's like, she lick a dog and I just see the dog down the road, dog. Please, move on. I say, yo. Where? I'm the kind of hesitant now. I really give a shit about the dog. Come in, let me carry. She's like, no, man, I just right around the corner. I'm like, when I look on the girl, yo, the girl sexy.
Yeah, laugh fashion like that.
You know that.
Yeah, we know you laugh fashion like that.
Now I jump out of the car and he said, which part of that? She said, right around the corner. Is all I said? He was right here. Right here. No, dog. I don't know. She'll look for the dog. Look, yo, but she's sexy in the dog. Yeah. They said the girl is sexy. Anyway, long and short shit. Me and her there. She calmed down. Me and her walk back and she said to me, say, yo, thanks, whatever. She give me her number. And yo, we've been talking ever since, dog. Yeah. Yo, as a matter of fact, dog, she have my car right now. She's supposed to come and pick me up. Is all I say. Yeah. So, we just yo, me not telling like the girl nice. Yo, you need for me a girl like that. Yo, I think she this a calm down.
She?
Hold on. Hey babe, what's up? Yeah, man, I'm there, man. Same place. Wait. Oh, you're outside. Alright, man, come. Yo, make I bring out my brother and say, can I meet him here? Yeah. Alright, cool. Alright. Yeah, come down.
Yeah. Fine with you.
Yo, we can't believe what I said, but that's so crazy.
Story that my youth, I tell you, brother.
Yeah. But no, it's a nice star. Yo, it was good to see you, dog. It's all me say.
My phone ring me. Mother, call me. Hello? Alright.
Come.
So pick up them clothes at you. You see me, dog? That's going on. You see me, brother? Guidance. You see me, brother?
Oh, they're crazy.
Make
yo,
sure
we keep in touch, dog. Alright. Hi, babe. What's up?
Nothing. I thought you were going to introduce me to your friend.
Yeah, he did have something to do with his mother, right? She called him or something like that.